So I'm just going to my directory, ls-la, make sure I'm in the right place. You can see my venv folder. So I'm in the right place. Code space dot launch VS Code. Right, so if I look in VS Code, I'm going to see these yellow lines. It's going to say cannot be resolved. That's because it's pointing at the wrong place. So I need to tell it how to do that. So there's two ways. You can click down here and tell it to select the interpreter. It's usually going to come up with an option. So this /venv, /venv in Python is where we want, which is this one here. Once that's been selected, it'll get rid of that under yellow underscores. The other way you can do is Command Shift P if you're a Mac, or Control Shift P, and then type Python select interpreter, this one, and then you're going to go /venv in Python, and that will work, and then it should just sort it out. But the important thing is down here, you'll see this updated bit down bottom.